Bullish Quantstamp, QSP, cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $0.026066 and $0.049237 by 2030. Market examiners accept QSP could reach $0.020274 by 2025. Bearish Quantstamp market cost expectation for 2023 is $0.004634. Quantstamp, QSP, presentation. Quantstamp sent off with extraordinary outcome in 2017. The Quantstamp project has since been fostering its convention and has finished a few high-profile reviews, however became involved with significant debate in 2021. From that point forward, numerous Quantstamp clients have lost their confidence in the token, leaving today's position in the market, begging to be proven wrong. On the off chance that you're interested about the stage's future possibilities, look no further. In this Quantstamp cost expectation, we've summed up all that you want to be familiar with the cost of Quantstamp, from the ongoing cost to most extreme value, Quantstamp cost today, normal conjecture cost, least cost, market cap, and then some. We likewise consider whether Quantstamp will probably be a wise venture for what's to come. Continue to peruse to advance more from our refreshed Quantstamp cost conjecture. What is Quantstamp, QSP? Quantstamp is a blockchain-based shrewd agreement security evaluating convention worked to make the decentralized web safer. The stage checks brilliant agreements to distinguish security holes, and the Quantstamp group asserts the framework has figured out how to defend more than $100 billion in advanced resources. Quantstamp can be utilized as a structure stage for engineers and exchanging and trading cryptographic money, close by getting blockchains. The stage utilizes a straightforward verification of review convention to construct an organization associating financial backers and engineers with robotized checks to pinpoint any weaknesses in shared shrewd agreements. The organization naturally remunerates designers who identify weaknesses in shrewd agreement codes. Quantstamp or QSP are the local badge of the venture used to drive the organization. QSP tokens are utilized to repay people for filtering brilliant agreements for weaknesses and buying reviews on the stage. The Quantstamp convention has two primary parts. The first is the mechanized programming stage that checks code, and the second is a computerized abundance framework. This helps reward engineers for physically checking and confirming the code and recognizing any bugs. The manual abundance framework is a filler until a completely robotized framework can be utilized. Quantstamp is at present worth $0.005793 United States dollars. QSP has moved 3.07% as of now with an exchanging volume of $39,969. Quantstamp is at present position 1201 among all digital forms of money, with a market capitalization of $3,959,788 United States dollars. Our cost expectation estimates utilize constant Quantstamp, QSP, market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in light of current market action. Quantstamp, QSP, value expectation 2023. Quantstamp, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital currencies to rise this year, QSP. The QSP cost estimate for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, conceivably coming to $0.008672. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be steady, yet no significant drops are normal. Averaging $0.008094 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is possible sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and progressions. QSP is supposed to have a base worth of $0.006938. Quantstamp, QSP, value expectation 2024 out of 2024, Quantstamp QSP cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of QSP will before long outperform $0.014454. In any case, we ought to hold back to check whether the QSP's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, QSP will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0.011563 and a typical exchanging cost of $0.012719. Quantstamp, QSP, value forecast 2025, assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $0.020235 and QSP might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. QSP is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0.018501 and a low of $0.017345 in 2025. QuantStamp, QSP, Value Expectation 2026. On the off chance that QuantStamp effectively supports market feeling among digital money fans, the QSP coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, QSP will be green in 2026. The QSP is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $0.026017, with a base cost of $0.023126 and a typical cost of $0.024283. QuantStamp, QSP, Value Expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the QSP cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0.030064 by 2027, with a base cost of $0.028908 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, QSP has a greatest value worth of $0.031799. QuantStamp, QSP, Value Expectation 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $0.035846. In the event that QSP figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $0.037580. Neglecting to accumulate the help QSP needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $0.034689. QuantStamp, QSP, Value Forecast 2029. While QSP is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry connection, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $0.040471 and a yearly cost close above $0.043362 in 2029. QuantStamp, QSP, Value Expectation 2030. By 2030, QuantStamp will at last outperform its past ETH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $0.046252 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $0.049143, averaging out at $0.047409. QuantStamp, QSP, Value Expectation 2031. The cryptographic money market is known to be exceptionally unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to figure future price tags with accuracy, but all forecasts are not be taken as monetary exhortation, and you should do your own examination. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital currency should have acquired reception across